Hello, very good morning to you. My name is Sridhar. I am the founder and promoter of Nutritious Meal Program. Academically, I have done my commerce graduation, post which I completed a proficiency course in marketing management and finance management from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Then in 2004, I completed my Master of Business Administration with specialization of marketing management in uh, from Amity University. After my graduation, I joined Wipro Fluid Power, the clerical cadre. Then 3 years period I served with them, and then thereafter I joined Dunlop India Limited as a sales representative. Grew up to become an area manager of this organization in a span of about 10 years time. During this period, I served in various parts of Karnataka, Shimoga, Hubli, Belgaum, and then to Goa. After 10 years, then I moved over to First Computers as regional manager, served them for about 3 years in Chennai. And then post that, I joined Pentasoft Technologies as national manager. Grew up to become general manager of this firm, where 800 people were working under my leadership. I took the organization from 1 crore to 45 crores in a span of about 1.5 years time. I quit the corporate world in the year 2000, then got into social sector development in 2000. Initially, for the first 4 years' time, I was supporting various NGOs in the area of fundraising. Then moved over to Delhi, served Amity University to give them a special course of NGO management course, and then also took care of their Amity Humanity Foundation for a period of about 3 years. In 2007, I came back to my hometown, Bangalore. 2007 was the time when I started this nutritious meal program journey with the research, and the program actually began in 2009. So it might sound filmy as to how I started this journey. In 2007, I saw a child sitting near the dustbin and having its food when we were traveling on the road. The first thing that we did was to attend to the child immediately, and thereafter we took some interest in trying to find out as to what made the child come to the dustbin. When we went to the slum and discovered the child's parents had gone out to fetch their daily bread. This is what invariably happens in every slum that you see. Parents leave the children neglected at home, and the children do two things when they feel hungry. Either they steal bread from a shop, or go to the dustbin and have food like this. Further discovery told us that 11,000 children were dying every day due to hunger. So this was the compulsion which made us get into this nutritious meal program and see whether we can reduce the number of deaths from 11,000 to 0. Now we are in 2014. In 2009, when I started this journey, we were able to feed around 250 children. It took 2 years for me to find a suitable funding model to ensure that once the program begins, then it is nurtured properly without any kind of hazards. Then now in 2014, we have reached a figure of about 21,000 children with the help of many NGOs in India in 19 different cities. Some of the NGOs were able to follow the model that we have given them. Some succeeded, some failed. But nevertheless, the journey is continuing. Now my next plan is to reach a figure of about 1 lakh numbers. And if 1 lakh children have to be fed, I need a huge support from many corporates and funding institutions. That is the reason that this video is on now, and I am presenting before you to seek your support. And let me tell you that some of the first that we have done in this program is that we were the first in India to come out with a beautiful telefundraising model way back in 2005, which is now followed by many NGOs in this country. Now we are the first to show our live nutritious meal program in our website at www.nohungrychild.co.in. You can log into our website and see every day between 12:30 and 1 o'clock the live program, which is again the first in India. We are again first in India to come out with one mobile application for NGOs. In fact, we are the first to come out with No Hungry Child mobile application. Thank you for your patient hearing. I look forward to your kind support since I'm dreaming a very, very big vision of serving about 1 lakh children, and by doing this activity, the 7,000 children who are dying every day will obviously come down. And we are going to every nook and corner of this country, and with internet connectivity we can monitor the program very, very effectively. Funding institutions who are giving us support need not worry about whether this program will be implemented the way they want it. They can watch this program from their website, where we will connect this internet connectivity live program to their website, and they can watch sitting at the comfort of their offices and home, and keep monitoring this program effectively. Thank you so much for your patient hearing.